Spain for Celgene obviously is one of the key markets. It's one of the 5 large countries in Europe, and we have established our presence there 10 years ago at the same time as we started our operations in Europe. There has been a lot of things that we have obtained from Spain as well. We do have there a translational research site, which is the only one that we have in Europe, based in Seville. Very important science and research being done there in collaboration with the local researchers. Also, in terms of clinical research, Spain has been a great source for us in terms of ideas for hematological cancers especially. There are a lot of key opinion leaders that are internationally renowned based in Spain. So Spain does have a very special place for us, and we will definitely continue to invest in research in Spain and collaborate with the academic centers and the clinical investigators in Spain.